Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi. We're going to eat pizza. No, we're going. Where are we going, Charles?
I make a trip and we go to the south of Luxembourg. And the first trip today we drive to La Roche de Ardennes. There we going to.
Okay. I thought you said Scheveningen.
No.
Okay.
No Scheveningen.
We're gonna do camping. We did a camping trip last year.
Yeah.
There's a great video, by the way. You can click here. Click, just click.
I hope it will be a little bit better because last year we drive one day earlier to home because it was getting to snow.
How long is it right now? 5 hours.
3 hours with 2 breaks. And your breaks are really long. So I think in total 5 hours. And I was already waiting 1 hour here because he was again too late. It's normal with Roland. He's always too late. So.
Right with Roland. I live in a different time zone because I am from the future.
Yeah.
The future. Let me show you the bikes real quick. She's a beauty. Huh? This is Charles's Precious. And decent packed. High drama. Yeah. Well, I think it will hold. This is how Roland packs. Yeah, this is good. Yeah.
So, okay, up on our way to the Ardennes, or I think it's called the Bulge. You know, where they had a famous fight in World War II. The battle was the Bulge. Well, the war is over meanwhile, in case you might have missed that, and is now a very favorite spot for motorcycles because of its many curvy roads and, of course, beautiful scenery, as you will see later. Although the weather looked like it was about to change anytime soon, luckily for us it stayed dry. Halfway we did a stop at the gas station to stretch our legs and we got some new fans there.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
So we're at the pit stop because we were riding for 10 minutes. No, we rode 150 kilometers. Well, I have a meter. So do a little coffee and but it's going good. The weather's good. Raining, almost raining. So yeah, I'm always looking at the wrong lens, but the lens is here. Yes, there it is. Hello, lens. And so while standing here, a guy comes over because he asked about the fur, the second one. Hello, say hi.
Hi.
Hi, also girl, hi. Hi.
Cheers from Den Haag.
Oh, from Den Haag.
Yeah,
Deze.
I thought you were just coming from Africa. You did some hunting there.
Yeah,
no?
almost. Yeah, Vinkenveen. Yes.
Yeah, Vinkenveen.
All right, catch you later. Bye.
So after this nice encounter we carried on. But of course there was a suicide bug on my lens that is destroying my 4K footage. Yeah, well it sucks a bit, but the little one has offered himself to be a star on my channel. So let's do a moment of silence here for Fred the Fly. Oh, by the way, maybe you noticed in the name of this video that in the end of the title it says 22 EPS 1. What stands for Riding Year 2022, and so this is the first episode of all the journeys of this year. And there are many adventures coming. And spoiler alert, Vietnam is on. Alright, let's continue. After the highway we did the last 80 kilometers or so by the country roads. So you get a good feel how it's like in the Ardennes or Bulge. And I don't know. Finally, after a few hours riding, we arrived at the camping.
So yeah, we had a boat. After what was it? 3-4 hours riding. We are here. We found a camping. Very cool.
Well, we couldn't find the right spot. It was not very clear, so let's fast forward here. Because this took ages.
Yes, we found a camping spot. It's not really a spot. Because they gave us a spot by the water, which is actually nice. But I don't have a cable that long. So we must do it a little bit like here or so. The spot sucks. It was so much better if they put us there.
No internet.
I have internet. So,
Ik word altijd de zeik genomen.
Oh,
Altijd. Ja, altijd.
It's in English.
I can't speak English. My English is not that good.
But anyway, we set up the tent, so that's cool. And then I realized the last time I was on a trip with my camping stuff, I had to throw up. If you didn't saw that movie, go click here. But I think I didn't clean it. I just packed the stuff and put it into the bag. And so I opened it after 1 year and it was still wet. And it smells horrible. So I'm gonna sleep somewhere else. I will show you. But it's a great place here. Very friendly people. Say hi. You're from Belgium, right? People from Belgium. And they loaned us their hello barbecue. So that's very cool. So Belgium, woo! He's throwing up meat which is a year old. It's a year in the fridge, and he thinking, well, yeah, okay. This was Charles. You don't see him again because next time he will be dead. All right, let's eat for a second here. Charles is putting a lot of salt on it, so you don't taste that it's rotten.
In the evening, I had to do some work, and our friendly Belgian neighbors let me work in their warm caravan tent. And of course, I had to bring the Jack Daniels. Again, can you say hi?
Hello.
I become big friends with their dog also. Look at this beauty. Anyway, we went to sleep and yeah, a little drunk again. Well, not a little. And this you will see in the next episode. Thanks for watching, subscribe, like, click on everything you see, and I see you in the next episode.